Hey guys, samahan niyo ako as I share with you our house renovation journey which was started recently. Last June 2024 nang mag-turnover sa amin yung bahay, and since then lagi na siguro kaming nasa Cavite every other weekend para i-check yung place and i-familiarize namin yung way from and to Manila since pareho kaming nag-work sa Manila ng husband ko. Then, fast forward to December last year, nung naumpisahan namin yung renovation. So, it took us 6 months bago namin ma-finalize yung plan, and kasama na doon yung pag-ipon namin for the renovation cost. Tapos, mga 3 to 4 contractors siguro yung nakausap namin bago kami nakipag-deal sa contractor namin ngayon na taga-Camellia lang din. Mas nagibabaw yung part na yun at taga dyan lang din sila, at marami na silang nagawa na project within Camellia lang. So alam na nila yung process kung paano yung from requirements hanggang pagkuha ng permits and all that. Tapos nakita na rin namin naman yung mga finished project nila. So ayun, bale, ito na yung progress ng renovation. So far, nagawa na yung extension sa likod ng house, which is yung kitchen. Ayun pa lang so far, pero nakaka-excite pala pag nakikita mo na yung progress ng renovation. So, yun. I'll be sharing more of our house renovation progress in the next coming days. So, ayun lang muna for now. Thank you for watching. Bye!